This boat is a 2019 Sea Ray. It's the model 270 SDX, which some may still refer to as a 270 SeaDek. That's the model that it replaced. This particular boat is showing in the Sea Ray blue hull color with a Marine Midnight blue canvas. So the bimini top is Marine Midnight blue, as is the bow cover and the separate cockpit cover. The 270 SDX has a lot of cockpit seating, and a lot of that seating is convertible, where the aft seat converts to aft-facing sun loungers. The backrests flip up, and then the twin helm seats each have flip back backrests so that you can face in either direction, face forward when you're underway, and create them in the sun lounges usually when you're at rest. It has a digital dash with the Simrad 9-inch screen. And it has a Fusion stereo with 6 Fusion stereo speakers. 4 in the cockpit and 2 in the bow rider compartment. And there's seating sufficient for all your friends. Flip down boarding step. Transom shower. And the stereo remote control.